Okay guys, in the last video, we understand and learn how if condition work and how we can use it to make our program make a decision. So now we're gonna talk about if condition a bit more and learn what are the other possibilities available. So for instance, this is the condition we were checking on. If A is equals to B and if save it. As you can see, there is no value showing here. So why is that? Because A is not equals to B. So obviously you will be in your program wondering, how am I gonna send a different condition or different print if the condition doesn't match? You will not gonna just go ahead and do this. It is not professional and it is not a right way to do it. So instead of that, you have a else condition. The syntax itself is pretty much same. Instead of if, it will replace with the else. Else doesn't take any parameters. It is just else. So whatever in the if it doesn't get true, if the condition doesn't match, it will always gonna run the else, no matter what happens. So in this situation, let me copy and paste it here. Condition false. Else run. If run. So if A is equals to B, if not, then else. Let's run this. Else run. You see, this time else run because A is not equals to B. Condition is not matching. And as we have discussed in the operators lecture, we can also set multiple conditions in same if. For instance, let's say another variable C is equals to 6. And we can say or is used to, again remember, or is used when one of the condition get true. So if I will gonna say A is equals to C, if A is equals to B, then otherwise also check if A is equals to C. If A is equals to C, which means A is equals to C, then also make this condition true. So instead of 6, let's put 2 here. This time if condition will gonna run. You see, if run, condition is true. If we want to make both of the condition true, so we can use the AND operator. From the previous lecture you understand what I'm talking about. If you didn't watch my lecture, you have to go back to the operator lecture and go through it. You will be able to understand what I'm doing right now. So if this is the condition, we're gonna run else. You see, else is running. Why? Because A not equals to B, but A is equals to C. But when we are using AND operator, it's mean all the conditions that are here must be true. So even if we have another condition with the AND and these two got meet, but the other third one will not gonna meet, it will not gonna run the if. And if we want to run it like any single one, like if A is equals to B is true, or B or A is equals to C is not true, then the condition will be true, then we have to use or instead of AND command. So that's the use of AND, or and XOR. XOR is once again all of the condition should not be true, but at least one of the condition be true. That's the XOR. So in this case, if doesn't run properly, then the else will always run. So in this case, else is running. If I set this to again back to or, this time if will gonna run. If you have any confusion, you can again ask me the question. These are the very simple and basic logic, and even our human mind can understand them properly. So if you have any complication understanding it, having any question, you can feel free to ask me. And that's about it. We're gonna come in next video and talk about more for the if and else condition. Thank you.